Hello everyone. So now we're going to make a chocolate chip cookie that has very limited ingredients. So you take 2 mashed bananas, or 3, depending on the size of the banana, about a cup of bananas. You mash those up really good, and you add a cup of oatmeal with 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, and stir that around. And at this point, you can add in other things if you want anything. If it's too dry, you can add a little bit of water. I typically don't. I may add just a little bit in here. But we are going to put a couple tablespoons of chocolate chips in these. You can do raisins if you want to make raisin oatmeal cookies. And they're actually pretty healthy because you don't have the bananas supply your sweetness, and of course the chocolate chips. I think I'll put just a little bit of water. You can just kind of add it as you think you need it to mix them up. Your oatmeal acts as your flour. You can use, I use old-fashioned oats because I like them, but you can use the instant oats if you want, or the instant minute oats if you would prefer. And then you just scoop these out and put them on your cookie sheet. They won't spread out a lot, so if you want to make them, about the size that you're going to actually want them to be, so they don't spread out a whole lot. And we'll put these in the oven, and we will let you see the final results in just a few minutes. Okay everyone, here are the finished chocolate cookies with just the oatmeal, bananas, and chocolate chips. Enjoy!